waiting jeepney. Oh, this is CR. Free CR. You see people live here. And museum also have. Second floor have museum. Mabalacat city. Hi everyone. I am in the center of Mabalacat. I will show to you place here. I already filming before. I just come to Mabalacat to buy something and I have time to take video for you. Because later we go to Shira, with Shira to Clark, to jogging also and sit in cafe. Shira sleep now because Shira every day help to her family. And 5 a.m., 5 morning, she sent children to the school. 11 a.m. need to take children again from the school. And she can sleep only afternoon. That's why she always busy. Now, right now, sleep. Need rest. This place always busy because many people live nearby. And who work in the Clark, they take jeepney to home. I will show to terminal. Jeepney terminal. Mabalacat jeepney terminal. Choking. Now 5 p.m. many people now. And heavy traffic, always heavy traffic. 4, 5, 6, maybe until 8 p.m. or 9, always traffic here. Magalang, Mabalacat terminal. Magalang is town. It's not so far. Arayat also. It's very close, Arayat. Street foods, you see. Street foods always popular here. You see so many people waiting jeepney. side is Mabalacat City Public Market. Also post office. Bakery. Philippine people like sweet. So many bakery. You see everywhere many bakery. It's very popular here. Another one. If turn left, it's Clark direction. If right, this way, is going to the Magalang also. Magalang and to NLEX to Manila have gate. Now I will walk to the before Georgi stay in this apartment. I will show to you what is this. I don't know. It's interesting building. I don't know allowed or not. Don't have any sign, but look good. Look like museum. I will ask. Hello. Excuse me. What is this building? Is someone live in this building or some like look museum or not?
No, it's an old house.
Old house, not museum. Someone live inside.
Yes, we live in.
Ah, really? No, good and interesting. Good Chinese style. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, it's good house. Interesting house. You see heavy traffic here. Always heavy traffic. Okay, I can walk now. I want to see apartment they built before and Georgi live near. Maybe already finished. Barangay Santa Ines Barangay. Oh, this is CR. Free CR. Main bridge. Pineapple, papaya. I need to buy. When I come back, I will buy. Ford, bike. This is before Georgi live in this apartment. $7,800, I forgot, but have video from his apartment. this is already soon final. Soon. Sari stores. Here already MacArthur Highway. This side is to Angeles, and another side it's Tarlac Conception. This is Mabalacat Museum, and the first floor is Ceylon coffee shop. I filming already before, and also in this building police station. You see people live here. From bamboo house. Many abandoned houses. Children say hi. But I cannot filming children now because new rules already. This is gas station. Expensive here. Diesel is 54.50, but near my place today is 50. Okay, maybe I will come back because I don't want to go so far. I will show to you public market, Mabalacat public market. So need to safety walk here. Don't have cars, you see, it's good for me. Okay, I will show outside this cafe. I don't want to go inside because aircon, I don't want it with aircon, cold for me. And museum also have. Second floor have museum. Mabalacat city. Maybe this is CR, I don't know. Yeah, it's good if have CR. Because most of the building don't have CR in the Philippines. Not easy to find CR. Rizal. You can read in English. Who want to read, you just pause. I don't know how to speak in English. Pause. Okay. And this way is Barangay. Shira friend live in this Barangay. Many houses also for rent inside. Not expensive, very cheap. But depend of condition, of course. If we've already with furniture, new renovation, of course high price. If aircon is split system, of course high price. If aircon window type or don't have aircon, cheaper. This way to Angeles City. If I walk now to Angeles, it's need maybe 40 minutes. About 40 minutes walk from center of Mabalacat to the walking street, to Red Street. To center of Angeles, I think about 1 hour 20 minutes about. And right side is a church. Our Lady of Grace. I already filming before in this church. You can find my old video from Mabalacat. Traffic, heavy traffic. But you have shortcut road here. So now we're going to the bridge. This bridge. Maybe you cannot see good, but so dirty. Not so dirty, dirty only here. River not so dirty. Maybe clean before already. This is Mabalacat public market. So I not recommended drive to this road because always traffic. 7-Eleven. Also have another jeepney terminal. I will show to you very close. So this jeepney going to the Clark. So you can take jeepney to Clark from this terminal. Yellow jeepney they use in the Clark. All yellow. But not so many passengers right now. Why? Because now 5:36 p.m. Most of the people need go from the Clark. So jeepney go to empty. See, empty jeepney go to the Clark because from the Clark so many passengers. Yeah, empty, don't have. And you see so many people, workers also. They built a new bus terminal in the Clark. Most of workers use motorbike from the work to the home. And this tricycle terminal. Entrance to the public market, it's a side entrance. Later I will go to the market already without camera because I need to buy something. Manila, right side. But really, you can, if you won't go to Manila, you need to go to straight to NLEX Gate. Have NLEX Gate. Maybe 1 kilometer need only drive. Traffic enforcers always here. Take a look, bus without aircon. I think this bus going to the Tarlac. Because if you use a bus with aircon, price about 200 peso. Without aircon, maybe 150. And they not use SCTX. We see, this is Mabalacat public market entrance. And also post office. Post office in the second floor. Okay, I will show to you post office right now. Because many subscribers new don't know. But post office already closed because now 5:40. So I show to you post office. Who live in Mabalacat, you need to know where post office. This is post office entrance here. You can wait here, fill post. But now already closed. Philippine post office. Excuse me, a post office closed what time? It's okay. No, not need. I just asking for my subscribers. Maybe they want to know.
Ano ka na? 7 to 6 o'clock.
Until 6 o'clock.
7 open. 6 o'clock
From
is closed.
7 morning to
Already
6.
closed.
Okay, thank you very much for information.
Oh, welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome, Mr. Handsome.
Not handsome.
Sir,
Leon. Leon, yes.
I'm a tiger.
A tiger, really nice to meet you, tiger.
Oh, Gina. Sorry. That's only jokes, sir.
Of course I know.
Gina.
Gina, nice to meet you. I'm from Kamachilis,
No.
but I'm Russian. Russia.
Russia.
Russia, yeah. Why you afraid? No, Russian people not same like you watching TV.
I'm from Ukraine.
My relatives also from Ukraine. Yeah, my relatives in Russia and in Ukraine
Russia
also.
and Ukraine is like this.
Russia and Ukraine, friendly people before. It's friends, like brother and sisters. But now you know what happened. It's government problem. It's not people problem.
Oh, no, sir. Nice meeting you, sir. Huh?
Nice to meet you too.
Alhamdulillah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Take care.
Thank you very much. Thank you. No, I think you already know conversation. I talk very. But they first say, oh, Russia, because they watch TV. You know, TV sometimes propaganda. They show, even in America, so many propaganda. They not show true. When I go to Russia, I will show to you Russia. Russian people same like Philippines kind, same. Another shopping center also. So many foods, street foods. This is new shopping center. Maybe only three years ago they opened. And this jeepney going to the Angeles. If you won't go to Angeles, you can take this jeepney, Angeles Mabalacat. Not expensive, Banana also. Many banana. So many sleepers here. Oh, 50 peso only. But I don't know what is. We prepare. Hi, hi. Okay, thank you. No, I cannot eat this one. Also here street foods. And cats waiting foods also. Oi. Black cat, I like black cat, but my black cat already lost. Лечон, кавали. Бабой. Сисик. Kapapangan. Kapapangan foods also. Chicken teriyaki. You see, chicken teriyaki is Japanese foods. But in the Filipino style. All prepared for takeout. Good. How much chicken here? 280 chicken. And half chicken is 140. Extra gravy 10 peso only. Okay, thank you. Many street foods because people go into the home from the work. That's why so many street foods. Nuts also. Ice. For sale. Inasal. It's very, very popular in the Philippines, Inasal. Who want to go to Inasal and use motorbike, this is parking free inside Inasal. It's underground parking and you can eat inside Inasal. This is Inasal. Have second floor, first floor. It's new foods. You see only 139, but I like PM1. It's only chicken leg. Chicken leg is and rice and chicken oil only. Drugstore. Also here street foods, many street foods. Hi. Good afternoon. Guys, I already worry about old people sometimes want to be in the camera and they say hi, want to talk with me, but I move already camera with new rules. Of course, it's okay, not problem if they like. So they like if take video, but I'm not sure about our subscribers, haters. KFC, you see, KFC. Because many haters here watch my video. BYD car. It's not new. 2 years ago this model. Oh, what is this? I never walk here. What is already closed? So many shops. GNT is company, delivery company, express delivery. Before I always use branded overrun. Also maybe from China. I don't know. Many clothes because now 5:46. So now I will go to home and later I go with Shira to the Clark jogging. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you understand my broken English. You know I cannot, my English is very bad, I know. Because I study Chinese language. Who don't know me, I study Chinese language. That's why my English is simple only, but it's okay for me live in the Philippines. Okay, thank you for watching.